If you own either one of these tools, then you're not going to want to miss Tim's tip number 8, where I show you how you can replace both of those with one tool that works 10 times better. Today on Jones Knows, my favorite flooring mallet.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. Been doing this for over 23 years. Also teaching my sons the family business. You'll see them in my videos as well. You'll also hear me joke and talk about my favorite flooring mallet, which is a Lixie. Today, this video is my favorite flooring mallet explained. Now, it's not my favorite flooring mallet because I like the way it looks. Well, I do like the way it looks. But doing this video today because I went most of my career without even knowing this existed. Because I only wish that I had found out about the Lixie mallet sooner. Anyone that's doing a floor, whether you're a homeowner or an up-and-coming installer or an installer that's been doing this forever, this is a piece of equipment that you're going to want to own, because for installing wood floors, stairs, or whatever I'm working on, it's a multi-purpose tool. I can use it as a hammer, I can use it to hit the wood, I can use this to hit the pry bar, I can change heads to put a softer head on. If I'm doing a nail down installation on wood flooring, bam, I can hit my nailer with it. This screws in. I've never had one of these even come loose, let alone fly off. And they can be interchanged to different hardnesses. Like this is a medium. There's also softer heads, also the really hard heads, like the black ones, that can be used as a hammer, and it really packs a punch. When I hit the floor with this, this is persuasion here. Literally, the floor moves, whether it's laminate, solid hardwood, or vinyl. I find myself not having to beat it as hard, let the weight of the hammer do all the work for you. This is some weight here. This is 56 ounces. If you're doing flooring on a daily basis, then you know that a mallet is the safest tool to use on a floor, whether it's wood, laminate, or even vinyl. This is way better to use on a floor than a tapping block, or of course a regular hammer. I use this to close almost all my joints, whether it's end or long. If you're pulling them in and you need that extra little tap, this will do it. Or just even with any of the systems where you have to tap it under a door jamb, and you're using your mallet to hit it under, like most installers, this is going to reduce the amount of times that you have to hit it. And the nice thing about this, if you used a white mallet before in flooring or woodworking, if you hit it hard enough, the residue comes off all over the floor, whereas this guy is non-marring. Basically, it leaves no residue. Less cleanup, which is good because I get home quicker. Unfortunately, there's no manual for installers that recommends that updates us every time there's a new tool and tells us what we should be using. So I think it's important that we rely on each other to pass knowledge around. And this right here is probably one of my most important tools that I use on a daily basis. I've been doing this for 23 years, and I've only been using this for 6 or 7 years. So I went most of my career without finding out about this, and that's the reason I'm doing this video today, because it takes the place of a hammer and a mallet in one tool. Well made, American made. But yeah, it's this a great tool. I highly recommend it, and I hope that you find this video useful. I strongly recommend, if you're in the flooring or woodworking industry, to check one of these guys out. The only thing you're going to wish is that you found out about Lixie sooner. They're that good. It does a better job. You get the job done faster with less effort. The quicker you get the job done, the quicker you get paid, quicker you get home to friends, family, and YouTube. I hope you found this video useful. Please like us, subscribe, share. This was Tim's tip number 8. Check out our other Tim's tips. They're a line of videos geared towards up-and-coming installers and DIYers that want to learn some quick and useful tips to elevate their game. And check out our other videos on flooring, stairs, woodworking, as well as our travel videos and our funny cat videos. Thanks for joining us today, and thanks for watching.